I've been interested in medicine since before high school even started.
And is it a vein or an artery? The goal of the program is for students to be able to get more in-depth look at what health careers are out there.
It has opened my eyes to different pathways I wanted to seek. We have gone through so many different occupation titles that I truly know what I want to be.
Really, we hear about doctors and we hear about nurses, but what about all the other specialties and how they can go to school in our area and be able to fulfill that career? Last week, we learned about eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Next week, we're building a heart out of clay. So we're learning about all the heart, the diseases of the heart, how they can treat the heart, so things like that. This is called the aortic arch.
I could take someone's pulse, which is very important in CPR, their breathing. I can take their O2 stats.
We have learned how to take blood pressure.
120/80.
I'm learning the skills in class, and I will get my certification to be a nursing assistant at the end of the year, meaning I'll have a job straight out of high school going into college.
CNA is Certified Nursing Assistant. We worked with RCC in their nursing assistant program. We learned 30 different skills, and in class, they also do online didactic.
We're gonna turn you over.
Once we're done with learning all those skills, and it is things like bed baths, it is things like how to feed your patient, how to record how much they've eaten. So it's really those more entry-level hands-on skills. Once they're done with that, we do clinicals at a long-term care facility here in Medford. And also we're starting this year, we're going to have them going to Providence Hospital.
Lift your head up here.
Once they're done with that, they can sit through the Oregon State Board of Nursing and they can get certified.
Leave your hip just a little. None of my parents went to college, and so it really opens up an ability, because now I have my CNA, and that pushes me one step forward to be able to complete a nursing degree, or if I want to be a pediatrician or a doctor or an x-ray tech, it really gives me a drive to further that and really be able to complete college. Have a good day, Susie.
This year we are adding phlebotomy, which starts in a couple weeks. This summer they will do 150 sticks, meaning they have to stick 150 people, and after that they will be qualified to work as a phlebotomist. This class enables students to write their own story by learning about all the different things that they could go into, and then they choose. They get to choose where they go to school, they get to choose the career, but it really opens their eyes to be able to accomplish and do what they want to do.
Having this program here has helped me write my own story by just having the opportunity and not having to wait until I got into college to figure out what I wanted to do, because now I'm pretty sure of what it is I want to do, and I have a really good foundation to start that.